SHEEP stands for social, historical, environmental, economic, political and technological. These 6 topics allow us to analyse and create different arguments based on these different themes or ideas. So, let's see how a SHEEP analysis works using the topic that eating meat is unnecessary in the modern world. A social argument. So, a social argument for this topic could be that eating meat has become less of a part of our culture. Instead, we see a rise in vegetarianism, vegan awareness, and a global awareness of how meat is impacting on the world. A historical argument is that in comparison to the past, we now know the benefits of vegetables and fruits. We know how to get the correct vitamins and minerals without having to eat meat. An environmental argument, now this is one that would need to be included, is that meat is really harmful to the environment in a variety of different ways. An economic argument is that meat is far more expensive in comparison to vegetables and fruit. Now there isn't really a political argument, and I think it's important to understand that you don't have to complete the entire SHEEP analysis because sometimes it doesn't work for certain topics. And finally, technological. A technology argument could be that how the animals are killed is actually quite humane, despite the fact that we've made massive advancements in technology. So that's how a SHEEP analysis would look. The final step is to divide the team split between the speakers. 2 arguments need to go to the first speaker, 2 arguments to the second speaker. The third speaker does not need any arguments because their main job is to rebut and to summarise the arguments. So, if we have a look at the topic we had before, we might divide the arguments by having the social and technological arguments being given to the first speaker. And then the second speaker might have the environmental and economic arguments. Now, when you're dividing it, do talk to each other and see if there's a certain passion that one of you has, and also have a look about how similar the arguments are. You don't want the arguments next to each other to appear as if they're too similar to each other, so divide them cleverly. That's why I ignored the historical argument, because I thought that maybe I could put that into my social part of the argument instead. Good luck with creating and dividing your team split, and remember to communicate clearly between all 3 speakers because you all need to know what each other will be arguing. Good luck again.